So we would start working on the bottom of a dress, and I'm measuring 16 inches long for the length of the tulle. I'm going to cut this in 3 places in both colors of my tulle. I'm working with purple tulle, more like lilac tulle, and a pink tulle. A quick tip for cutting tulle: you can use pins to hold the tulle pieces together so that it doesn't move, it stays while you cut. So that was what I did when cutting all my 3 different pieces. Next thing you do is take your tulle pieces to your sewing machine and pleat them in place. I chose to pleat them so that the gathering is not so full and so thick when I want to sew it to join the lower bodice to the upper bodice. So I just pleated them in place to the measurement of my client's waist, and this is what it is after sewing all the 3 pieces of tulle together. Now I'm moving to my upper bodice. I have prepared my pattern already for my front and for my back. So I'll place the pattern pieces on my fabric. I am actually using a Duchess satin fabric to do this project for the upper bodice. So I'm going to cut it in line with my pattern. I actually cut 2 pieces, one for the front piece and the other one for the lining. I did that for all front pieces and back pieces to have a very clean finish. Once you're through cutting all the pieces together, the next thing you do is to join front and back pieces through the lining and sew them all up. Now I'm preparing the roses that I'm going to attach to the front part of my bodice. So I measured a ribbon, it's a satin ribbon. I measured about 9 inch long, folded it into 2, and now I am doing like a crisscross till the end of the satin ribbon. It's quite easy to follow. When you get to the end, you release the folds that you have in your hand, and now pull the longer part of the satin, pull it through so that everything shrinks to a rose shape. Use your thread to secure that rose, then you cut it off So I made a lot of these roses. I think I made about 60 to 70 pieces in total, because I still put these roses on the sleeve of the dress. So now use your lighter to finish off the fray edges on each of those roses, and now you can start sewing with your needle and thread. My front bodice has not been attached to the lining yet, so I'm just lifting the upper part. I'm lifting it up and I am attaching my rose so that all my stitches are hidden inside the garment. So just follow along that princess seam line till you get to the end. I left about 2 inches at the bottom of this upper part of the bodice, so that when I am attaching the bottom of a dress to the top, those roses don't get in the way. I've gone ahead to attach my peplum to the bottom of the dress, and now I'm going to take the upper part of the dress and mark my client's measurement on that dress. So I'm going to take her bust measurement and her waist measurement and sew it along that point. So this dress is going to have a side zip. On one side of the dress, I'm going to leave it open, so I would attach an invisible zipper on that part of the dress. I would also recommend that you cross-check your sewing with your client's measurements. Cross-check every part, the bust, the waist, and also the length, the half length. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the middle of the dress, of the bottom part of this dress, and attach it through there. I also have gone ahead to create a puff sleeve, and now I am inserting an elastic through that opening. So my client's round sleeve measurement, I just subtracted 1 inch from her round sleeve measurement, and that is the length of the elastic that I'm going to insert in that hole that I've made. So I'll do that for both sides of the sleeve, and now I am going to close that opening up. So I'll do that for both sides. Now you can see my invisible zipper, it has been attached already, and I'm just going to add some flowers at the waistline of this dress, and that will mark the end of this tutorial. I hope you love this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and all the good stuff, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe. God bless. Bye.